节日，一路放飞美好的心情。明天是我们梦中的花园，一生选择美丽的风景，一生选择美丽的风景。
2010上海旅游节开幕。
Shanghai in September was welcoming visitors for 2010 Shanghai Expo from all over the world. Inside the Expo Park, you can have a view of the world, while outside, you can have a view of Shanghai. The annual Shanghai Tourism Festival, taking a grand opening on September the 12th this year, unfolded the brilliance and charm of the city to the most degree. The grand opening parade is always one of the most influential events of Shanghai Tourism Festival. This year, with 18 floats and 30 performing groups, collecting wonders and wisdoms of the 5 continents, it enabled visitors both from home and abroad to discover and experience more of the world. Shanghai Tourism Festival, carrying on the spirit of the city as openness, inclusiveness, and diversity, has not only become a platform for communication between Chinese and foreign cultures of tourism, and even a ground stage for performing the global customs. Look, the floats of Shanghai Tourism Festival are parading in the Expo Park. The finely decorated vehicles parading along the avenue of the park contrast finely with the national pavilions. Thousands of Chinese and foreign visitors in the park have been attracted to appreciate and take photos of the floats. During Shanghai Tourism Festival, a series of activities taking the theme of Shanghai Expo were held in succession, which have become the most appealing and fashionable factors of the city. The floats parade lasted for more than half a month this year. It covered almost all districts and county of the city to send the fun of the festival to the doors of the citizens. With the arrival of the floats, celebrating activities of the districts and the county had also reached the peak. The 25-day Shanghai Tourism Festival, covering the feuds of foods, accommodation, trip, tour, shopping and entertainment, had become an important and necessary event of the city life. By drawing over 9 million tourists to take part in it, this year's festival has set a brand new record of Shanghai Tourism Festival.
你上海旅游节闭幕。
The 2010 Shanghai Tourism Festival, which had lasted for a month, was concluded by the International Music Fireworks Festival at the Central Park. Glorious city nurtures wonderful life. The wonderful life supports successful celebration. Jointly wishes evoke common development, and common development creates mutual festivals.
今天是我们共同的节日，一路放飞美好的心情。明天是我们梦中的花园，一生选择美丽的风景，一生选择美丽的风景，美丽的风景。
2011 Shanghai Tourism Festival is greeting you